Hey everyone, today I will show you how to buy crypto using your OKX wallet with USDT on the BNB Smart Chain. First, ensure you have the OKX centralized exchange open. Navigate to the exchange section at the top left, tap exchange and then select wallet to access the Web3 wallet. Once in the Web3 wallet, tap the receive icon to deposit funds. Search for USDT or select it directly, then choose the BNB Smart Chain as your network. Copy the provided wallet address or scan the QR code to deposit USDT from another wallet or exchange. Alternatively, you can buy USDT directly through OKX's Buy Crypto option if you don't have any. You can also deposit BNB to cover gas fees as BNB is required for transactions on the BNB Smart Chain. To deposit BNB, select BNB, choose the BNB Smart Chain, and copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. After funding your wallet with USDT and BNB, tap the Tokens menu at the bottom of the screen located between Home and Trade. Browse the listed tokens or use the search bar to find a specific token by name or contract address across supported networks. For this example, let's select the ZKJ token priced at $2 each. Tap the ZKJ token, then tap Trade to open the trade menu. To buy ZKJ, select swap, choose USDT as the from token, ensuring it's on the BNB smart chain, and set ZKJ as the to token. Enter the amount such as $10 worth of USDT to swap for ZKJ. Ensure you have enough BNB in your wallet to cover the gas fees. Tap swap to execute the transaction. That's it. Thanks for watching.